Today we're going to go over how to clean your keyboard. So the first step in cleaning your keyboard is just to want to remove any sort of debris on the exterior and under the buttons as well. Grabbing either a small handheld vacuum that has a pressure option like this Bridgie. This is a great vacuum. You can turn it on and it will press air right out here so you can actually remove everything from inside. Or an air compressor can will also work for this, and you can get stuff that is stuck underneath the keyboard. This step simply just removes the excess buildup underneath or on top of the keyboard. If you're noticing excess debris now on your station, you can use that same handheld vacuum and just go ahead and pick up the extras. A brush on your handheld vacuum will be best so that you're not putting any damage or hard pressure on your keys. If you still have debris that you can see underneath your keyboard and inside each individual piece, you can actually use some of this little sticky stuff. It's kind of just like the stuff we used to play with as a kid. Scoop it right out and it will go onto the surfaces. You want to make sure that your keyboard's off, of course, so that you're not clicking any buttons. This will just pick up any gunk and remove it. Now that we've removed all the debris, we're going to go ahead and move on to the cleaning step. Now, since we all touch our keyboards a lot, we're probably typing for work and things like that, we want to make sure that we're disinfecting or at least spraying and cleaning down the surfaces. Taking just a microfiber rag, you can go ahead and spray a very light spray on here. A multi-purpose spray, an electronic spray, anything like that will work best. But we want to make sure we're not spraying directly onto the keys. You don't want to get it very wet or get water stuck behind your keys. It will damage your keyboard. This is a great time to also flip your keyboard over and wipe it down there as well. Now, if you're noticing gunk that is stuck behind the keyboards, perhaps you've spilled like a soda or anything else, you can use one of these little stick cleaners or even a Q-tip in most cases. One of these little sticks will allow you to get between each key. You can either use it dry or put a little bit of alcohol or a very light cleaner on it. This makes it really great for any of those small areas. Now, if you are noticing some excessive stickiness or things stuck between, you can actually pop out keys on each of your keyboards. There are tools that will help you do this. And your keyboard should be all fresh and disinfected and ready to go. Now that your keyboard is all clean, make sure you're disinfecting it regularly to remove the germs that you've brought from your hands to it. And if you liked my content today, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can see more cleaning and home content. Thanks for watching.